Hey there, fellow content creators! Are you tired of pouring your heart and soul into your website without seeing any returns? Well, fear not, because we're about to reveal 10 ways to monetize your blog or website that will help turn your passion project into a money-making machine. So grab your coffee, put on your thinking cap, and let's dive into this juicy topic right now. Tip number 1. Display ads. One of the most popular ways to monetize your website is through display ads. You can sign up for ad networks like Google AdSense or Media.net, and they will place ads on your website. You earn money when visitors click on the ads. To maximize your revenue from display ads, it's important to optimize the placement and size of your ad units. Placing ads above the fold, where they're visible without scrolling, tends to be more effective. Also, testing different ad sizes and formats can help you determine what works best for your website. Tip number 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products on your website and earning a commission on sales. You can sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Commission Junction and promote products related to your niche. To succeed with affiliate marketing, it's important to promote products that align with your niche and audience's interests. You can do this by creating in-depth product reviews, tutorials, or best-of lists that highlight the benefits of your product. Also, consider incorporating affiliate links into your existing content, such as linking to a product mentioned in a blog post. Tip number 3. Sponsored posts. If your website has a significant following, brands may pay you to write sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are blog posts or articles that promotes a brand's service or product. You can negotiate the terms of the sponsorship, including the length of the post and the compensation. To maintain authenticity and avoid alienating your audience, it's important to disclose when a post is sponsored. You can do this by including a disclaimer at the beginning or end of the post. Additionally, choosing sponsors that align with your niche and audience can help ensure that the content is well received. Tip number 4. Sell products. If you have a product or service to offer, you can sell it directly on your website. This could include anything from ebooks or online courses to physical products like t-shirts or art prints. To sell products effectively, it's important to have a clear and compelling product page that showcases the benefits and features of the product, including high-quality product images, customer testimonials, and social proof can also help increase conversions. Additionally, creating product bundles or offering discounts can incentivize customers to make a purchase. Tip number 5. Sell service. Similar to selling products, you can sell services directly on your website. This could include freelance writing, graphic design, or consulting services. To attract clients for your services, it's important to have a professional and well-designed website that showcases your expertise and experience. You can also consider offering free consultation or trial to entice potential clients. Finally, encouraging clients to leave reviews and testimonials on your website can help build trust and credibility. Tip number 6. Paid memberships. If you offered premium content on your website, you can create a paid membership program. This would allow members to access exclusive content, tools, and resources for a monthly or annual fee. To retain paying members, it's important to consistently provide value through exclusive content, tools, and resources. You can also create a sense of community by offering forums or discussion groups for members to connect with one another. Finally, regularly soliciting feedback from members can help you improve and tailor your offerings to their needs. Tip number 7. Donations. If your website provides value to your audience, they may be willing to support you through donations. You can add a donation button to your website or use platforms like Patreon to receive ongoing support. To encourage donations, it's important to clearly communicate the impact of the donations and how they will be used. You can do this by providing examples specifically of how the donations will support your website or a related cause. Additionally, offering rewards or perks to donors can incentivize them to give. Tip number 8. Webinars. If you have expertise in a particular area, you can offer webinars on your website. You can charge a fee for access to the webinar, and attendees will benefit from your knowledge and expertise. To make your webinars engaging and informative, it's important to prepare thoroughly and practice your delivery. You can also incorporate interactive elements like polls, quizzes, or Q&A sessions to keep attendees engaged. Finally, recording and offering replays of the webinar can help extend its reach and generate additional revenue. Tip number 9. Sponsored events. If you have a significant following, brands may sponsor events that you host. These events could include workshops, conferences, or meetups. You can negotiate the terms of the sponsorship, including the level of involvement and the compensation. To make sponsored events successful, it's important to plan and execute them well. This includes selecting a venue and date that works well for your audience, promoting the event through various channels, and providing a memorable experience for attendees. Additionally, incorporating brand messaging or product demos into the event can help provide value for sponsors. Tip number 10. Sell ad space. If you have a significant amount of traffic to your website, you can sell ad space directly to brands. This would allow you to bypass ad networks and negotiate the terms of advertisement. To attract the advertisers, it's important to have a high-quality website with a significant amount of traffic. You can also consider offering packages that include various types of ad units or promotional opportunities, such as sponsored content or email blasts. Finally, regularly updating advertisers on the performance of their ads can help build a long-term relationship. So, there you have it. 10 ways to monetize your blog or website. Whether you're looking to earn some extra income or turn your website into a full-time business, these strategies can help you achieve your goals. Remember to experiment with different monetization methods and find what works best for your audience and niche. Let us know in the comments which monetization strategies you've tried or which have been the most successful for you. And as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from us.